Hey, this is Chris with New Peaks Roofing. I'm here to just share a little bit about the hailstorm in Colorado. These are some hail hits. You can see these are pretty good size. That one. These are some other ones. Some pretty good size. Pretty good size hail hit that, so you can see with the tape measure. This one right here is massive. Here's some other ones. So if you need a trusted roofing contractor, you can call New Peaks Roofing and Restoration. I'd be happy to help you get your property restored. So this is from Colorado Hailstorm 2023.